Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial on Innerjoin. Innerjoin is a SQL query concept which is common across all the relational database management system. It could be either Oracle, SQL Server or Mysql. Innerjoin by definition is it selects all rows from both the tables as long as there is a match between both the tables. So how the match is established? The match is established using a join predicate, which we are going to see in our next slide. I've represented the inner join using the Venn diagram. Here you see two tables A and B, and the purple area what you see here is the matching rows of both this table based upon a matching condition which we give using a join predicate. So let me walk you through a very funny example. So you have two tables. One is a boys table where all the boys are listed, the boy ID, the first name and last name. And then we have the girls table where we have the ID for a girl, their first name and last name. And apart from that, we have a ID boy field. So what this field does is whenever a boy has a girlfriend, his ID is populated in this column. For example, John White is not really a good guy. The reason is he has two girlfriends. One is Tiffany Gray and Lisa Taylor. So you see his ID being displayed here. Next, we have Scott Mitchell. This guy is really poor. He doesn't have any girlfriend. So you don't have a matching entry for this guy in this table. And then we have Ramesh Gandhi. He has one girlfriend and his ID is populated in the girls table. And apart from this, there is another poor girl called Serena Hines who doesn't have a girlfriend. So now using Innerjoin, what we are going to do is we are going to build a new result table by combining columns values of table 1 and 2. These are the columns of table 1 and columns of table 2 based upon a join predicate. So let's go to the MySQL workbench. So I've listed all the data that you see in the PowerPoint here in this table. So you have the boys table and the girls table. So first, how do you write inner join? Let's first write the select clause, and then we say what all the columns we need from both this table. For now, I'm going to put star. So what it will do is it will pick up all the columns from table 1 and table 2. So let's give the table 1 name. It's test.boys1, and I always use a alias to represent the tables. And next we write the keyword called inner join, and then we give the second table name, which is the girls table, and its alias is table tb2. So what we are going to do is we are going to select all the columns from table 1 and table 2 based on a particular condition. So what is this condition or join or called join predicate? This condition is the ID field in the boys table, which is related to the ID field in the girls table. So when you execute this query, you could see that we get John and Ramesh in our result set and all the columns from table 1 and table 2. The reason you don't see Scott, let's execute all the queries. The reason you don't see Scott or Serena Hines from the girls table is because they do not satisfy this condition that is given on the join predicate, which is the ID in the boys table and the ID in the girls table should match. So that is the reason you don't see Serena Hines and Scott Mitchell. So now let's do one thing. Let's not select all the information because it makes your query to run very slow. Let's pull very little information from our query. So we need all the boy's name, the boy's first name, and the boy's last name, and the girl first name, and girl last name. So when I execute this, you could see we pull only 4 columns from both this table. So this is what a inner join does. It just gives you all the matching rows from 2 tables based upon a particular condition, and it also gives only the columns that you need. So by definition, it selects all rows from both tables as long as there is a match between both the tables. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching my video. You can watch my other videos. Thank you. Bye.